Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming power and obvious settings. Make sure the TV is on, volume raised, and mute off. Next, inspect connected devices, soundbar, AVR, or external speakers, and their cables. HDMI, optical, and aux can become loose. Once done, switch the TV audio output to internal speakers so you isolate the TV from external gear. I'll show why that matters. If internal sound returns, the issue lies in the external connection or device, rather than the TV itself. Now test different inputs. Use HDMI ports, the built-in tuner, and a streaming app. Detect whether sound fails on one source or all. Then inspect audio format settings. TVs and receivers disagree on PCM versus bitstream and on advanced codecs, so switch to standard PCM to see if sound returns. Make sure firmware is up to date. Manufacturers fix audio bugs and updates. If needed, reset audio settings to defaults to remove accidental custom profiles that silence channels or enable night modes. Finish by isolating hardware. Replace the suspect cable, try another HDMI port, and reconnect external speakers one at a time to confirm the failing component. If problems persist after swaps and setting resets, perform a factory reset, but back up your apps or presets first, because this clears custom settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still have no sound, plug headphones into the TV. If headphones work, the speaker or speaker connection is faulty, and you should contact service or the manufacturer for repair options.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.